You ever found yourself staring at a pile of US dollars, maybe from a recent trip, a gift, or even some freelance work, and wondered, can I just waltz into a TD bank in Canada and deposit this? It's a common question, and one that often leads to a bit of head-scratching. While TD Canada Trust is a Canadian bank, and the US dollar is, well, U.S. currency, the good news is, yes, you absolutely can deposit USD into a TD account. But before you grab your stack of greenbacks and sprint to the nearest branch, there are a few things you should know to make the process smooth and hassle-free. Depositing USD into a TD Canadian dollar account. Let's start with the most straightforward scenario, depositing US dollars into your regular Canadian dollar checking or savings account. When you do this, TD will perform a currency exchange for you. This means your US dollars will be converted into Canadian dollars at the prevailing exchange rate. It's a convenient option if you simply want to add the funds to your existing CAD balance. However, keep in mind that exchange rates fluctuate, and the rate you receive will be set by TD at the time of the transaction. There might also be a small service charge for the conversion, depending on your account type and the amount. It's always a good idea to check with a teller or look up TD's exchange rates beforehand if you're concerned about the exact amount you'll receive in Canadian dollars. Opening a TD US dollar account. Now, what if you frequently deal with US dollars, or you want to hold onto your USD without converting it to CAD right away? This is where a TD US dollar account comes in handy. TD offers dedicated US dollar savings and checking accounts, which are specifically designed for holding funds in USD. With a TD US dollar account, you can deposit US cash or US dollar checks directly into the account without any currency conversion. This is particularly beneficial for frequent cross-border travelers. Avoid multiple conversions and keep your travel funds in the currency you'll be spending. Individuals receiving USD payments. If you get paid in US dollars, you can deposit them directly and avoid immediate exchange rate fluctuations. Anyone planning future USD purchases. Hold onto your US dollars until you're ready to make a purchase in that currency, potentially saving on conversion fees later. These accounts function much like your Canadian dollar accounts, allowing you to withdraw USD cash, write US dollar checks, or even make online payments in US dollars if available. Do be aware that while depositing USD into these accounts doesn't involve an immediate currency exchange, there might be monthly fees associated with maintaining a US dollar account, or minimum balance requirements to waive those fees. It's crucial to review the account details and fee structures before opening one. How to make the deposit. Making the deposit itself is pretty simple. You can deposit US dollars. 1. In person at a TD branch. This is the most common and often recommended method, especially for cash deposits, as you can verify the amount and get a receipt immediately. 2. Via an ATM. Some TD ATMs are equipped to accept US dollar deposits. Look for ATMs that specifically state they accept multi-currency deposits. However, for larger cash amounts, an in-person deposit is usually preferred. 3. Via mail. While possible for checks, this is generally not recommended for cash and carries inherent risks. Before you deposit, remember. Large cash deposits. For significant amounts of U.S. cash, the bank may ask about the source of the funds due to anti-money laundering regulations. Be prepared to answer these questions if necessary. Counterfeit currency. Banks have procedures to detect counterfeit currency. If any of your US dollars are deemed counterfeit, they will not be accepted. Identification. Always bring valid identification, especially if you're not a regular customer or are making a large deposit. So, whether you're looking to convert your US dollars to Canadian or maintain a separate US dollar fund, TD provides options to suit your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.